Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. See here some questions are written. These questions are you from application of derivatives in which we are learning what increasing and decreasing function means how you will prove that the particular function is increasing on a particular interval or decreasing. Okay. So before this video we had discussed, we have made two videos in which we had discussed uh, questions of increasing and decreasing function. So let us see these questions also. So see here, first question is saying that prove that the function given by. So here function is given what? Fx is equal to log sine x is given. Now you have to prove this function is increasing in this interval and decreasing in this interval. So for telling whether it is increasing or decreasing, we have to differentiate, means we have to find the derivative of a given function. Then derivative of given function will be log of sin x will be 1 upon sin x will come into differentiation of sin x will be d upon dx of sin x you will write, then 1 upon sin x into cos x will come, means cos x upon sin x means cot x will come, then f dash x will be cot x will come. Now we will check whether it is increasing or decreasing. Now see, in 0 comma pi upon 2, 0 comma pi upon 2 means here we are making quadrants. This is 0, this is pi upon 2, this is pi. Now see, in this all trigonometric ratios are positive. In this only sine or cosec is positive. In this tan and cot is positive. In this cos or sec is positive. Now see here 0 to pi upon 2 means first quadrant is talking. In first quadrant f dash x will be positive. What give? Positive value will get. It means it will be greater than 0. It means fx is increasing in 0 comma pi upon 2. So see here we have to prove in 0 comma pi upon 2 it is increasing. Now we have to check in pi upon 2 to pi. Now see f dash x. So pi upon 2 to pi means second quadrant are talking about. In second quadrant cot will be negative. So here negative value you will get. It means less than 0 is there. Then you will write what? Fx is decreasing. Fx is decreasing in pi upon 2 to pi. So see here in this way you will prove that the fx will increase in this function and decrease in this, in this interval and this interval. So see here how you will tell the answer of the question of first, how you will write the solution of question of first. Now let us see the question number 2. So for writing the question number 2 I have to erase. I hope you have noted down. Okay, now let us see the question number 2. In question number 2, prove that the function given by here fx is equal to log cos x is written. Okay, now you have to prove this is increasing in this interval and decreasing in this interval and increasing in this interval. So for proving, first of all we have to find derivative of this, means we have to differentiate this. Then on differentiating what will we get? 1 upon x cos x d upon dx of cos x will come, means 1 upon cos x minus sin x will come, then minus sin x upon cos x means minus tan x will come, minus tan x it will come. Now we have to check in interval 0 comma pi upon 2. 0 comma pi upon 2. Then see here, if we will make quadrant in this, all are in this sine, in this tan, in this cos is positive. So 0 to pi upon 2, this is 0, this is pi upon 2 and this is pi. So see here, between 0 to pi upon 2, first quadrant will be, and first quadrant all trigonometric are positive. Then here f dash will be, what will come? Negative will come, n is less than 0 is there. Then fx is decreasing. You will write what? Fx is decreasing in 0 comma pi upon 2. So see here, in this way you will tell fx is decreasing in interval 0 comma pi upon 10. Now in interval pi upon 2 to pi we have to tell. Then f dash x. So see here, pi upon 2 to pi. It means in second quadrant tan will be negative, and if tan will be negative and already minus is there, then f dash x will be positive value will give, means greater than 0 is there. Then you will write what? Fx is increasing. What? Fx is increasing in interval pi upon 2 to pi. So see here, in this way you will tell fx is increasing in this interval, fx is decreasing in this interval and increasing in this interval. So see here how you will tell the answer of the question number 2. Okay, I hope you have understood and noted down. Now let us see the question number 3. So for writing the solution of question number 3, I have to erase. I hope you have noted down. Okay, now let us see the third one. Prove that the function is given by, so here function is given, so let us write function fx is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 100 is there. Now for proving that this function is increasing in R, we have to differentiate this. Then derivative of given function will be f dash x is equal to 3x square will come here, and here 2 3 is 6, 6x will come and plus 3 will come, and minus 100 will be 0. Now see here, if you will take 3 common, then x square minus 2x plus 1 will come. Okay. Now if you will again x square minus x you can write plus, sorry, here this is the identity of minus 1, x minus 1 whole square, x minus 1 whole square. Okay. Now see here, we have to tell in R it is increasing. So if you will put x is equal to suppose 1, suppose you are putting 2. Okay. Suppose if any value is to, suppose minus 1 you are putting, then f dash x will be positive, and if add x is equal to minus 1 and f dash x is equal to again positive, if you will take add x is equal to plus 1. Suppose either you are taking plus 1 or minus 1, any value you are taking, then it will give always positive value. And suppose you are taking add x is equal to 0, then again minus 1 square will be positive, then again positive you will get, means all the time you will get positive, means here greater than 0 is there. Then you can say that fx is increasing, fx is increasing in R. So see here, in this way you will tell that the given function will be the increasing function in R. Okay, so I hope you have understood how you will write the solution of question number 3. Now let us see the question number 4. For writing the question number 4, I have to erase. I hope you have noted down. Okay, now let us see fourth one. Fourth one is what it is, the interval in which So see here, function is given what? Y is equal to x square e to the power minus x is given. You have to tell this function will increase in which interval. Okay, so we have to check now. So for checking, first of all, we have to find the derivative of given function, means we have to differentiate. Then dy upon dx will be what? X square. First of all, let's write it as y is equal to x square upon e to the power x. Okay, this can be written. Now dy upon dx will be what? X square, sorry, e to the power x, d upon dx of x square minus x square d upon dx of e to the power x upon e to the power x whole square. Now what will come? 2x e to the power x will be here, minus x square e to the power x will come here, upon e to the power 2x will be there. Now see, x is common, so take x common, 2 e to the power x, sorry, x e to the power x, both is common. Okay, then what will come here? 2 minus x will come here, upon e to the power 2x will come. Okay, now we will check in which interval it will be increasing. So let us check the first one. First one is in minus infinity to infinity. So minus infinity to infinity means, suppose you are taking minus 1. So see, suppose if you will take minus 1 value, then minus 1 you will take, then here positive value will get, and here minus will be there, then you will get the negative value, at x is equal to minus 1. Okay, so see here, okay, so at negative value will get. Now if you are taking at x is equal to 1, then when you will put the x is equal to 1, then positive value you will get. Positive value will means in this function neither increasing nor decreasing. In this function neither increasing nor decreasing will be. Okay, so this option will be not correct. Now let us check the b1. So for writing the b1, I have to erase. I hope you have noted down. Sorry, f dash x, what come here? X e to the power x 2 minus x upon e to the power 2x. Okay, this was. Now let us see the b1. b1 is saying minus 2 comma 0. Minus 2 comma 0 means at x is equal to minus 1. See, at x is equal to minus 1, negative was there. Okay, and if you will put 0, so here 0 value, here this value will be 1, means whole value will be 0, means at x is equal to, see, at x is equal to minus 1, f dash x gives negative. Negative means here decreasing is there. Here decreasing will be, means less than 0, fx is decreasing. So we have to tell it is increasing. So this option will not also. Now let us see the c1. c1 is saying 2 to infinity. 2 to infinity. If you will take 2 to infinity, then again, suppose you are taking 3, value 3 here, then 2 minus 3, minus will come. See here, at x is equal to 3, f dash x is equal to negative value you will get. Again less than 0 is there, then you will write what? fx is again decreasing. Okay, so again you can tell c will not will be the option of this one. Now we have to check D1. 0 to 2. 0 to 2 means at x is equal to 1. So see here, at x is equal to 1, we have find now f dash x is equal to positive value will get greater than 0 is there. Then you can say that fx is increasing. Fx is increasing. Then you can say that D option will be the correct option of the question number 4. Okay. So see here how you will tell the answer of the question number 4. Okay. I hope you have understood. Now let us see the question number 5. So for writing the solution of question number 5, I have to erase. I hope you have noted down. Okay, now let us see the fifth one. Fifth one is what? Which of the following function are strictly decreasing? Now you have to tell which function means in interval 0 comma pi upon 2 which function will decrease. A is given cos x. Okay, cos x. Now if you will here fx is equal to cos x is given. Now if you will take f dash x, then what will come? Minus sin x will come. Now see, in this quadrant 0 to pi upon 2 all are positive, all are positive, but here negative sign indicates that. So here you will write in 0 to pi upon 2 f dash x is less than 0 is coming, means fx is decreasing, fx is decreasing. Okay, fx is decreasing. Now let us see the b1. Now let us see the b1. What is given? fx is equal to cos 2x, cos 2x, cos 2x. Then f dash x will be what? Minus sin minus 2 sin 2x will come. Again all are positive in this. Sorry, what we have to do? Now in this quadrant, if you will put x is equal to pi upon 2, see here in this 0 to pi upon 2, again negative value is there, and if you will write 0 pi upon 2, then it will cancel out. Okay, so here pi will come, then minus will be there, then here you will say that again it is increasing will be there. Now what is there? C value fx is equal to cos 3x is there, then f dash x minus 3 sin 3x will be there. Okay, now see 3 uh, 3 into pi upon 2 means 3 pi upon 2 is there, means greater than pi is there. In this sign is negative. In here f dash x is positive will be greater than 0, so increasing is there, and in this f dash x will be negative. Again in this negative positive will be there, then you will say that again here fx is increasing, fx is increasing. Okay, you will say that fx is increasing. Now d1 tan x is there. So for writing the solution I have to erase. I hope you have noted down here. Now d1 is fx is equal to tan x, then f dash x will be what? Sec square x will be there. Derivative of tan x is sec square x, and sec is the inverse of cos. In this sin is positive. Wait, sin is positive na in this, so here decreasing function will be there again. Sorry, here decreasing function will be there, and negative value will get less than 0. Okay, and positive value here. Now see, sec square means cos. In this only, in 4 quadrant it will be, it is asking about the 0 to pi 1, all are positive. It means f dash x will be greater than 0 is equal to positive will be greater than 0, means you will say that fx is increasing. Fx is increasing in this function. So see here, in this way you will tell that in which decreasing and which increasing. So see here, b1 is what, decreasing, and remaining all increasing is there. Okay, so see in it means b will decrease and remaining will increase. Now let us see the sixth one. So for writing the solution of sixth one, I have to erase. I hope you have noted down. Now see here, question number 6. Question number 6 is given fx is equal to x to the power 100 plus sin x minus 1, and you have to tell on which of the following interval is the function fx strictly decreasing. Okay, so we have to check. So for telling which in which interval it is strictly decreasing, first of all we have to find the derivative of this, means we have to differentiate this. Then f dash x will be 100 x to the power 99 will come, and derivative sin x will be cos x will be there, and minus 1 will be 0. Okay, now we have to check. First one is in interval 0 comma 1. 0 comma 1 means if you will put in place of x 0, so if you will put here 0, then 1 will come, means all the positive, all value will be positive. In this interval f dash x will be positive value give, that will be greater than 0, then you can say that fx is increasing. Fx is increasing. If f dash is greater than 0, then you will say that fx is increasing. It means this option will not the answer of the sixth one. Now let us see the b1. b1 is what, pi upon 2 to pi. Now let us see. In this quadrant all trigonometric ratios are positive. In this sine is positive, in this tan is positive, in this cos is positive. Now pi upon 2, this is 0, this is pi upon 2, this is pi. Now see, it is asking about the pi upon 2 to pi, means in second quadrant it is asking, and in second quadrant only sine is positive, remaining will be negative. So see here, you will get negative value here. Okay, and negative value means minus 0 to minus 1 you will get in this place, and if you will put any value between pi upon 2 to pi in this, then again positive value will get. Again f dash x will be positive you will get, and it is greater than 0. Again fx is increasing, will be increasing function. So see here, this option will not also answer of this one. Now let us see the c1. c1 is saying that 0 to pi upon 2. Now 0 to pi upon 2, see here, 0 to pi upon 2 all trigonometric ratios are positive. It means cos x will be positive, and if you put any value between this in here, so again you will get the positive value. So see here, f dash x is equal to positive value you will get. It means greater than 0 is there. Then you will say that fx is increasing in interval 0 comma pi upon 2. So see here, in the first option also fx is increasing, second option fx is increasing, third option fx is increasing. It means, and here asking about the strictly decreasing, then here option D will be the correct answer. Option D will be the correct answer of the question number 6. So see here how you will find out the answer of the question number 6, how you will write the solution. Okay, Now, if you have liked the video, then share and subscribe it. And if you have any query, then comment in my comment box. And if you are facing any doubt in question, then take pic of that question, send to me on my WhatsApp number. WhatsApp number already given in my channel. What I'll do, I'll make video of that question to clear your doubts. So till now, wait for the next video. Next video, we will discuss some more application of derivatives. So till now, have a nice day. Goodbye, and wait for the next video.